Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming model and battery state. This matters for parts and firmware. Once confirmed, power off the headphones and disconnect any cables. Use a small Phillips or Torx and a spudger to remove visible screws. Keep them in a labeled tray. Photograph each step so you can reverse it. This saves time when reassembling. Make sure to work on a static-free surface. If the ear cup is glued, gently soften the adhesive with low heat before prying. Once open, visually inspect the cable harness, drivers, and the PCB for disconnected wires or cold solder joints. Use a multimeter to check battery voltage and trace continuity from jack to driver. This tells you whether the fault is mechanical or electrical. If you find a broken wire, strip and solder with proper gauge and a touch of heat shrink tubing. When replacing drivers or foam, match impedance and size. Improper parts change sound and load on the amplifier. You reassemble by reseating all connectors and tightening screws in the reverse order of removal. Use low-temp adhesive where needed and avoid over-torquing. Charge the battery fully, then perform stepwise audio tests. Start soft, then increase to medium to confirm driver symmetry and noise floor. If you still hear issues, reset firmware if available, or swap in a known good component like a battery or driver to isolate the problem. One troubleshooting tip. If intermittent cutouts continue,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.